Hi, this is Domi, and today we focus on period pain, pelvic discomfort, and endometriosis challenges. So find your seat and let's begin. Gently place one hand on your belly, one hand on your chest. Maybe close your eyes or soften your gaze. And bring your awareness to this moment, to your breath. Arrive in this space. Check in how you feel, how your entire body feels. And take 2 slow breaths before you open your eyes. Gently uncross your legs, keeping your left leg bent and resting your left foot in front of you. Rotate your right knee inwards, bringing your right foot behind you, creating a shape looking like deer's legs. Ground through your sit bones, lengthen your spine and feel a gentle stretch across the hips. Take an inhale here, reaching both arms above your head, and with exhale, bring your left hand towards the mat, inviting the stretch to the right side of your body. Inhale, reaching both arms towards the sky. Exhale, twisting to the left. Maybe resting one hand on your knee and the other one behind you. One more time. Inhale, lengthening the spine. Exhale, inviting side body stretch. Inhale up. Exhale, gentle twist. Inhale, coming all the way to the center. And swapping legs, bending your right leg and resting your right foot in front of you. Rotating your left knee inwards, shifting your left foot behind you. Grounding for your sit bones, lengthening your spine, taking an inhale here, reaching both arms above your head, and with exhale, bring your right hand towards the mat. Inviting the stretch to the left side of your body. Inhale, reaching both arms towards the sky. Exhale, twisting to the right. Maybe resting one hand on your knee, the other one behind you. One more time, breath in, lengthening the spine. Breathe out, inviting side body stretch. Inhale up. Exhale, gentle twist. Take a breath in and come back to the center, making your way to the tabletop pose. Gently bring your hands to the mat, lift your hips, shift your weight forward and find stability on your hands and knees. Invite this rolling motion of your hips, of your pelvis, making circles to the left, to the right, gently checking how it feels. Slowly coming back to the center and stepping your right foot outside of the mat, opening your right hip, opening your right inner thigh, and doing a few cat-cows here. Inhale, reaching your chin towards the sky, opening your chest. Exhale, rounding your spine. With your next exhale, bring your right knee back to the mat and open your chest to the right, reaching your right palm towards the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. Bring your right hand underneath your left armpit and place your right shoulder on the mat, resting here. Inhale, coming back to the center, coming back to your tabletop. Exhale, stepping your left foot to the outer edge, opening your left thigh. Inhale, reaching your chin towards the sky. Exhale, rounding your spine. Cat cows on the other side. And with your next exhale, bring your right knee back to the mat. Take a breathe in and open your chest to the left, reaching your left palm towards the sky. Exhale, thread the needle, placing your left shoulder on the mat, extending maybe your right arm above your head. Notice the sensations coming from your upper body and take a breather here. With your next exhale, prepare yourself to come out from this pose, pushing yourself away from the mat, lifting your torso, lowering your forearms onto the mat, lowering onto your belly, coming to your Sphinx pose, keeping your shoulders away from your ears and your neck in neutral position. Begin to softly shake your hips from side to side to release the tension. Slow down and open your elbows to the sides, lowering your head onto your hands. Your chin or your forehead are resting on your hands. Take a breath in and move your left knee towards your left elbow, coming onto your supported half frog pose. Gently place your left cheek onto your hands. Your right leg is resting on the mat. Your upper body is resting. And you notice the opening in your left hip and left thigh. Take a slow breath in and a slow breath out, feeling how your belly is pushing into the mat. With your next exhale, extend your left leg back and shift your hips one more time before moving onto the right leg. Inhale, reaching right knee towards your right elbow, placing your left or right cheek onto your hands and noticing the sensations coming from the right hip and the right thigh area. Inviting your belly to be soft and your body to let go. With your next exhale, extending your right leg back and gently shaking your hips one more time, feeling the sensations coming from the front of your body. Feeling the weight of your body resting on the mat. Begin to roll to either side and make your way onto your back, bending both knees and stepping your feet outside of the mat. Bring your hands onto your belly and start shifting your knees to the right and to the left in this flowing movement, creating more space in your hips and lower back. Inhale, both knees go to the right. Exhale, both knees go to the left. As slowly as you want or as fast as you want. Find your own rhythm here. Begin to slowly step your feet back onto the mat, letting your arms rest alongside your body, maybe closing your eyes for a moment, and bringing awareness to your breath. How does it feel now? Where can I feel it the most? Slowly begin to press firmly into your feet, engage your core, and as you inhale, lift your hips towards the ceiling, feeling the engagement in your thighs and your glutes, coming onto your bridge pose. Bring your hands towards your bottom and your hips, giving them a little rub, a little sensory stimulation. Exhale and slowly lower your spine back to the mat. Inhale one more time, pressing through your feet, reaching your hips higher. Your hands are gently touching this area, keeping them on your hips. Exhale, lowering down. Your shoulders are rooted, avoiding the tension in the neck. Feel the support coming from your arms and upper back. Inhale, lifting up, keeping your hands on your hips, and gently exhale, lowering down, noticing how it feels in your body. And extend your left leg, keeping your right knee bent. Bring this knee onto your chest, hugging it with your arms, and begin to open your right hip onto the right, coming to half baby pose. Your right knee is trying to reach your chest. Your hands are holding your foot or shin, feeling this opening in your right hip. Letting the belly be soft and just finding your breath here. Take one more inhale and exhale, twisting that right knee onto your left side, bringing it closer to the ground. Your left hand can be resting on that knee. Right arm opens to the side. Gaze follows. And notice the sensations coming from this twist. Take a breath in. Exhale and release your right leg and extend it to rest. Bending your left knee and bringing this knee onto your chest, hugging it with your arms, and begin to open your left hip into this left side half baby pose. Your left knee is trying to reach your chest. Your hands are holding your foot or your shin, and you notice this opening in your left hip. Taking a breath here. And exhale, twisting that left knee onto your right side, bringing this knee closer to the ground. Your right hand can be resting on that knee, and your left arm opens to the side. Your head can twist in the same direction, or just stay resting. And notice the sensations coming from this side twist. Begin to come back to the center. Both legs are long, and give yourself a juicy stretch, reaching both arms above your head. As you exhale, bend your knees, opening your feet wide and bringing both knees together in this resting pose. Hands on your belly. Take one breath here and exhale, placing both feet in the middle of the mat, opening your knees wide, coming to your butterfly pose. Keeping your hands onto your hips or your belly and noticing the release from your inner thighs. Letting your belly be soft and your upper body relaxed. With your next exhale, use your hands to bring your knees together and extend both legs. Lying down now, place your hands onto your hips, keeping your tailbone and back resting on the mat. Imagine your hip is trying to reach your shoulder, inviting this very subtle hip movement, feeling the lengthening in the right leg and the left one. Now, keeping your tailbone still grounded, try gently reach with your hip towards the sky without actually lifting your hips up. Very subtle movement. Begin to slow down and come to stillness. Your hands can be resting alongside your body or on your belly. Come to your Shavasana. Invite a few slow and nourishing breaths. Check in with your body, with how you're feeling right now. Come back to the sensations around you, to the noises, smells. Maybe notice how your body is waiting on the surface beneath you. Begin to gently move your toes, your hands. Roll onto either side and gently come onto sitting. I thank you very much for practicing with me today. Let's take one more breath together. Inhale, reaching both arms above your head. Exhale, thanking yourself for spending this time on the mat. I'll see you soon.